Tami Leliuga Shriver, your Space Coast Home Specialist. Guess where we are today? We are at the Sandpoint Park here in Titusville, and this playground is simply amazing. There are so many cool events that the kids can play on, like this slide. Woohoo! Isn't that fun? And behind me, you can see the Max Brewer Bridge. It goes across the river. Perfect place for walking. Great elevation. It's a good cardio workout. The park is filled with all kinds of gazebos that you can plan family picnics, birthdays. Just come out and hang out. Check out the rest of the fun toys here at the park. This playground is simply amazing. There is something for everybody. And you don't have to be a kid to enjoy it. And now I want to show you what makes us really proud. The latest addition to our playground is this handicap accessible swing. Now everybody can swing together. With a simple twist of the knob, we are off and swinging. Isn't this